You can lock or unlock the vehicle's door using the smart key. To do this, either press the door lock, unlock button on the smart key directly, or touch the sensor on the door handle while carrying the smart key. You can disable the door handle sensor during heavy rain or car washes. Pressing both the lock and unlock button for about 4 seconds on the smart key will activate this feature, with the hazard warning lights blinking 4 times. Pressing the door lock or unlock button again will deactivate this feature. You can also use the smart key to operate the remote window controls. When the engine is off, holding the door lock button on the smart key for over 3 seconds will lock the doors and slowly close the windows. Holding the unlock button for over 3 seconds will unlock the doors and slowly open the windows. However, when using the remote window control, be sure to double-check the windows after, as they will only move as long as the button is pressed.